What it do, what it do. Welcome back to another episode of Bobby's World. Stoked you guys are here. I got tons of cool shit to show you guys. Let me just give you a little preview back there. We're going to be doing an unboxing. We are also going to be probably showing a couple live cops, as well as just talking about this weekend's releases, what's hot, what's not, what to cop, what to drop. So thank you guys for joining. Make sure, if you haven't yet, click the subscribe button down below and stick right there, and we'll jump right into this. We are back, baby. It's like, I feel like a kid on Christmas right now. We got some cool stuff to show you guys. I'm going to jump right into this. I think we're going to start, I guess, worst to best. I don't know how you put that. But either way, let's jump into this. As a precursor, I would like to say huge shout out to my homies at Secure STC, Sold a Cart. That's the Discord group. I'm actually the manager. In the group, we do all kinds of stuff, mainly initially sneakers. From there, and over the last few months, we've branched out. We've been hitting pretty much everything. So that's what I'm going to go through here and show you some of the things that we've been covering the last month or so. All this stuff was ordered in the last week to 2 weeks, and it finally arrived today. And again, man, I feel like it's Christmas. So let's jump right in. We're going to start with this Walmart box right here. These right here, nothing fancy. I'm excited about it. But these are from Amazon or Walmart. Birthday cake Kit Kats. That's what's up. So long as I don't eat them all, these are going for about $5 a pack right now. I'm gonna sell them in bulk. Maybe sell the whole thing for $50 or whatever it goes for. See how that goes. Again, the nice thing about Walmart is you can, and it's a saying that we have in the group, you shoot first and ask questions later, because this stuff is all easily returnable. If it's not selling, if there's any issues, boom, send it right back, get the money back, do what you got to do. Moving right along. Amazon. Again, in the Discord group, the Secure Sold a Cart, we do have monitors for all this stuff, as well as all kinds of fun stuff, so definitely check it out. Here we have, very popular, and I definitely need one, the colored cordless hair trimmers. I know I'm looking rough out here. We got 2 of them. I think they were $25 each. They sell for about $80 each, so easy come up. Moving right along. Let's see what else we got back here. This right here, the big boy. This is from Walmart. Ooh, it's heavy. This is a Singer Simple 337. I will put up on the screen just, recently sold listings of all this stuff so you can see the potential profit. This was $100, I believe. I got 2 of them. Someone in the group just sold one today for about $85 profit after fees and shipping. So that's a cook. And the fun stuff here. This made me happy today. If you guys know what this is, and you got one of these packages, you're probably happy too. Supreme socks, bro. Supreme socks. If you ain't got Supreme socks, I don't know what to tell you. You ain't testing your bots. But I'm just joking. This is the big boy. Boom. Boom. You see that? Whoo! Oh. Wish it was a small. It's a medium. Is what it is. Copped this on the Friday restock. I messed up my tasks on the initial drop. I apologize to anyone that was involved in that. But we'll come back. We'll do better next time. At least we got one. And moving right along. And this is going to kind of roll into our video. We got ourselves an early pair, 2 days early, of the one and only Royal Ones. I haven't even opened these yet. I haven't seen them yet. So you guys get the first reaction. This was hit on the exclusive access from Nike or Sneakers. It's Let's not dox myself. Uh-oh. Upside down box. Boom. Size 10.5. Not great resale. But they do have resale, and I think they will go up, if not immediately after the release, within the next month or so. Ooh, I like them. So there it is, the Royal Toe Jordan 1s. As you can tell why they call it a Royal Toe. Comes with blue laces as well as just blue laces? Black laces? Black laces as well on the other pair. Oh, it smells so good. Your typical Jordan 1 bottom. Very nice. No creases. Looks like some nice quality leather. Oh, maybe a little crease. But nothing bad. A little, I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but a little divot there, but nothing bad. Almost dropped all my shit. And this is the right shoe. Again, very nice. Very nice leather. I see these things definitely going up. There's a little gum there. So this is what's up. This is what's dropping this weekend. This is dropping Saturday the 9th, May 9th. These are coming out on Sneakers app as well as Foot sites and, of course, a grip of Shopify sites. Definitely go for these if you're botting, if whatever you're doing. Definitely go for these. If you're scared, go for the bay sizes, the 5 to 7. There's definitely profit in these, just like there was the Court Purples as well as the Pine Greens. So definitely go for those. And then we do also have on Saturday a Yeezy drop. The, what was it called? Let me see. What the hell? Sulfur. The Yeezy Sulfur. It looks like the Marsh. It looks like all the other tan brown Yeezys. Probably a drop. I wouldn't recommend copping them. If you do want to go for them, again, go for base sizes, size 5 to 7, I would say. You'll be able to make a little lunch money, and of course, if you hold, they'll probably go up. Me personally, I'm not a fan. I'm going to go hard on these Royal 1 Jordans, and maybe get 1 or 2 of the Yeezys, but that's going to be about it for me, and that is it for my unboxing. So again, man, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys like the content. If there's anything else you guys want to see, definitely, tune in, shoot it down in the comments, and I'm here to answer any questions. And again, if you have if you're interested in the Discord group, it is Secure Sold a Cart, and that's my dog freaking out. Secure Sold a Cart. We have everything from sneaker monitors to whatever you might need. We had one guy recently join. He's like 16, didn't have much money, wasn't sure how this was going to help him, and he went from flipping $20 Funkos to now he's the guy who made the $90 on the sewing machine, moving his way up to switches, and it's just a good vibe in the group. Everyone works together. We're all a family in there, and again, I'm always here to help. So any questions, let me know, and again, be sure to subscribe. And we'll see you guys out there, man. Happy cooking. I hope everybody here gets a pair or 2 of Royal 1s, and we'll see you guys next video.